Hi everyone, we are rolling through this series and we are on day 8 of Holiday Hustle. 5 minutes starts on our hands and knees today in 3, 2, 1. As you come to your hands and knees, you're going to pick up your knees and hover, bear crawl, all right? And then I want you from there to very slowly, try not to move your hips too much, tap opposite hand to opposite shoulder. Now we've done shoulder taps before in plank, but shoulder taps in bear crawl, a little bit more challenging, especially in holding with the upper body. You're here for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 3, 2, slide your legs back on 1. Good. Now firm up through the belly. We're going to come all the way down, tap, pick up the hands and the feet, release, press all the way back up. Bear crawl, tuck the toes, hover, tap, 4, 3, little combo move today, 2, 1, exhale, hold, walk it back. Good, lower all the way down, hands up, feet up, press all the way up. Now do that again, lower all the way down, hands up, feet up, press up. Knees down, tuck the toes, bear crawl, hover, tap, 4, 3, watch those hips, 2, 1, exhale, slide the legs back, last time, 3 total, all the way down, 1 unit, hands up, feet up, exhale, push up, 2 more, all the way down, 1 unit, hands up, feet up, exhale, push up, last round, all the way down, 1 unit, up, good, push, and knees down, good. Big flip with me onto your back. All right, go ahead and press your legs into the air. Reverse crunch, straight legs. Lift, 8, 7, 6. No momentum, just lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now lift up, butt down, lower your legs, scissor to the top. Good, lift up, butt down, lower your legs, scissor to the top. 1 more, lift up, good, lower down, good, scissor to the top. Now reverse crunch again, scissor down, good, come up, reverse crunch, scissor down, slow. Good, squeeze the legs, come back up, 1 more round, reverse, you got this, scissor down, 3, 2, squeeze your legs right here, bring it up, 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 opposite hand to foot, let's go, 8, side to side, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Big rock up to seated. Good, give me that flip back over hands and knees. Drop the forearms, butt in the air, dolphin. 1 leg in the air. Good, single leg dolphin push-up. Forward, 8, 7. Bring your chest forward, 6, 5. That leg in the air is working. Don't let it look like a noodle. Keep it lifted, 3. Come on, 2. Now pull your knee to your elbow. Ready, set, push back. 8, 7, yes. 6, 5, 4, 3. You get a break in 2. 1 more time. Pull that knee in. Good. Push it up. Knees down. Take a moment. Ready, set, forearms down, left leg in the air. Ready, set, we have 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on, guys, this is your last minute, forward and back. 3. Find that burn in your shoulders, yes. 1, exhale, knee to elbow. Ready, set, 8. Push, 7. This is it, 6. 5, come on, 4, squeeze it in, 3, good job, 2, 1, inhale, hold it, forearm plank. 3, strong core. 2, high plank, hold it. Good, this is it. 4, 3, 2, done. Good job, knees down. A lot of shoulders built into that series. Way to work, and I'll see you tomorrow.